CCE was started with great expectations, but somewhere somehow looks like we've missed the bus. What is happening is that schools are implementing CCE but not with the enthusiasm that is required. And CCE is a system that will not bring about the desired results unless it is adapted with complete honesty and integrity. Is there a way out? Well, there is one. AIETS, one of the leading non-government educational research organizations, has come up with a highly effective CCE implementation solution, Elevate. We spoke to the team members behind it.
Founded under the guidance of Dr. O.P. Agarwal, a renowned professor of chemistry, All India Educational Testing Services is one of India's leading education companies. In the last 2 years, we realized that schools are facing a lot of challenges in CC implementation. Keeping this in mind, we have developed a unique and innovative program, Elevate.
One of the challenges which teachers and educators face today is lack of interest and motivation among students. And the reason behind this is total disconnect between what the child learns in the class and what he faces in the real life situation. Because of this, the student is not able to understand the relevance of what he is studying, which leads to disinterest or demotivation.
Elevate consists of activity-based worksheets. These can be easily integrated with classroom teaching, and they will also help children in connecting classroom learning with real-life experiences.
If the knowledge is presented as a solution to what the child experiences in day-to-day life, he is able to understand the relevance, which leads to motivation and interest in studies.
If you ask a student of class 5 that how many students in your school, he will say nobody taught me or nobody told me. However, the student knows that there are 40 children in his class and there are 6 sections, and if he did some addition and multiplication, he would have the answer. A small and simple worksheet bridges the gap of what he has learnt in school and applied to real life.
Elevate worksheets are designed and developed around 3-tier activity-based learning methodology. What covers the content part, or in other words, what is the effect of the worksheets in learning? Why covers the significance or real-life linkages of content, or in other words, why is the cause for the worksheets to exist? How defines the methodology of application of worksheets, like procedures, assessment criteria, solutions, etc.
We carry detailed studies of Bloom's taxonomy, multiple intelligences, experiential learning, constructive methodology, and mind mapping.
This worksheet has been taken from class 10th maths, and the chapter is real number. And the story is that a father is constructing a house and the layout of the house is given. They have to find out the largest size of the square tile which can be fitted in bedroom 1, bedroom 2, kitchen and hall. Now this is a very simple mathematical problem which can be solved using a very simple mathematical concept, the concept of HCF. But believe me, more than 50% of the students would not be able to correlate between the concept of HCF and this real life problem.
This particular worksheet is based on life skills, attitudes and values. This worksheet is about a poor boy called Happy. He's honest, he's loved by his friends, by his teachers, but unfortunately, he is not liked by Akhil. Akhil's mobile gets lost and Happy is accused of having stolen the mobile. But timely intervention by the class teacher and questioning of Akhil reveals that Happy is innocent. This is a very simple story which any of us could have made, but the questions which are given after the story and the way the child will deal with it will help him to develop his emotional, social and thinking skills.
Let me discuss another worksheet with you. This worksheet is of class 10 science. The chapter is management of natural resources and the topic is waste matter. Waste matter and management of natural resources have been a topic of hot discussion since last couple of years. Now what is being discussed in this worksheet is that municipal corporation of your city has placed 3 different bins. Green bin should contain wet organic waste, blue bin should contain dry organic waste, and the material which should be sent for recycling should be placed in the trash bin. The student understands that only dry matter can be composted, so we need to dry the wet material before composting. The child also understands the real use of different bins and would use this knowledge in real life situations. Have you ever observed most of the children following rules when they go to places like McDonald's, but do they show the same kind of behavior when they are in school, home or public places? This worksheet has drawn its inspiration from one of the real life incidents which happened in one of the societies of Bombay. Just imagine a student of your school implementing this worksheets or learning from this worksheets in a society and creating an impact on hundreds or thousands of households in that society.
Elevate worksheets use different tools to check the understanding of basic concepts as well as foster the entire teaching learning process through stimulating activities. More than 30 assessment techniques have been used to make these worksheets. Written tasks like flowcharts, tables, diagrams and other pictorial methods, besides crossword puzzles, quizzes, fill in the blanks and short form questions. Verbal tasks like group discussion, role play, debates, extempore, etc. Outside school activities like investigatory projects, research projects, surveys and lab-based practical work. The Elevate program can be available for your school by adding the Elevate workbooks in your book list. Then these workbooks are routed through your preferred bookseller.
We also spoke to few school principals and teachers who have implemented Elevate.
Elevate is something which is ready to use. It is compact and then it can easily be carried in the class to the school system. Elevate is actually a great thing happening to me in my own school.
This product not only takes care of the needs of the scholastic part 1, but it also addresses the requirements of scholastic part 2. It helps the child to see his own motivation, his own traits, his own skills. The product has been designed in such a manner that it addresses this second part of this education system in CCE, which is the core scholastic part 2, very well.
One day when I was getting ready for something very special, my chemistry teacher could not, hold her enthusiasm. My PA, I'm busy. She said, no, I've got to see my principal. I said, what happened? She's Seema Chaturvedi. I said, what happened, Seema? You seem to be beaming. Ma'am, मेरे बच्चों को तुरंत समझ आ गया acids, bases and salts and chemical reactions. So that way, that is what you actually need from learning.
Elevate provides the following tools to ensure proper implementation of CCE. 1. Teacher Empowerment Workshop. 2. Student Workbook. 3. Teacher's Manual. 4. Curriculum Planner for the teachers. And 5. Implementation Workshop plus teacher training sessions plus any other ongoing support.
Elevate is undoubtedly a very superior product. Let us see how it can be advantageous to different stakeholders.
Principals. Elevate can benefit principals by standardizing the entire system, implementing CCE in true spirit and manner, and giving more control to the principals, and providing evidence of CCE implementation to CBSE. Teachers. Elevate can be advantageous to the teachers by reducing their workload, by providing multiple tools to assess a concept, by adding variety and creativity to teaching, and by involving children with activity-based learning. The next step. The entire Elevate program can be procured without any financial burden on anybody. The school adds the Elevate CCE workbooks in its book list, and the workbooks are routed through the preferred bookseller of the school.
AIETS can organize a free workshop on Elevate-based teaching in your school. To know more about the workshop, you can inform the AIETS executive, or you can also contact our office at the numbers on your screen. Finally, on behalf of AIETS, I would like to sincerely thank principals, teachers and administrators who've taken out time from their busy schedule. Your encouragement and support will help us in our continued efforts to do some good work. Thank you.